So here's all the chords we'll be playing. So here's the G chord. Very much like a regular G, but we have third and fourth fingers on the third fret on the bottom two strings. And the next chord, we're going to leave those fingers on, take these off and put the first finger in on string 6, fret 2. We're trying to mute this string as well with the back of that first finger. And we have E minor 7, D sus4, whole time we're keeping these on, C add 9, which is just like the G shape but on the 4th and 5th strings. We have an A7 sus4, which is just like the C add 9 but take the second finger off. And they're all the main chords of the verse and the chorus. And then on the bridge later on fret number 7, we're going to play this. It is a bit like a bar shape, but we're not barring anything. We've got first finger on fret 7, third down a string, fret 9, little finger behind that on fret 9, second finger on string 3, fret 8. We're just going to play those top 4 strings. For the G shape we go to, we just go down and take that shape down to fret number 3. And then we have F sharp, which is the same shape, just down on fret 2. And after that, we're into E, a regular G, and a regular A chord as well. So let's check out the rhythm. And going with this first chord on the G, we're going to play down, down, up. Then we're going to stop the strings with this part of your hand. And after that, do another final up strum. So that's down, down, up, stop, then a final up strum. When you do the stop, get your pick the other side of the string so it's ready, the other side there, to do the up strum. So down, down, up, stop, up. Okay, now when we do that stop also, we can actually pick the strings as well. If you find it easier to not pick the strings and just stop the strings to start with, do that to start with and get the hang of the song. It does sound a little better with the picked strings there, the muted strings. So let's go that again. So we've got G, down, down, up, up. Then we change to this G with an F sharp in the bass, and it's down, 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 up. And we get 2 chords in each bar mainly, and this is the rhythm that forms pretty much the whole song. So let's go for that whole bar. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. The only thing that's different is when we go to the E minor 7 and D. When we go to the D chord, we do a little bit more strumming at the end. So we do the same kind of thing on the E minor 7. Down, down, up, stop. Next chord. Up, down, then down, up, down, up. Do that again. So that's E minor 7. Down, down, up, stop, up, down, down, up, down, up. So when you do the D sus4 chord, that's the only time we do a little bit more strumming at the end with the down, up, down, up. Carrying on, we go back to our first rhythm that we had, which was C add 9 now. Down, down, up, top, up, down, 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 up. And we're back to the G, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. So those 4 bars will repeat round and round. The first time we play the D sus4 is where we do the slightly more strummy rhythm. The second time we do the D, at the end, the 4th bar, and the 3rd bar and the 4th bar, that's where we do a normal rhythm on the D. Okay, so that whole thing will sound like down, down, up, stop, up, down, 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 up, E minor, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, stop, up, down, down, stop, down, down, up. One more time. So here's a look at the rhythm a bit more up close, and I'm playing this at half speed so you can hear what's going on a bit more. And we've got some down strums with the brackets and the V's with the ups. I haven't put it on everything because it repeats quite a lot, but you can get a sense of what to play and then just apply it to the other bars as well. So here we go from the beginning. Now the verse is just the same chords, all the same rhythm. Let's take a look at the chorus now. And this has it's got the same rhythm, but it's slightly different towards the end. I'll just actually put the rhythm down here instead, so let's check out this chorus here. The rhythm's slightly different at the end. So let me just play through the chorus bit, which are these couple of chunks. So slightly different on this C add 9 and D sus4 at the end. You can see there basically we've got semiquavers and quavers, and we've got this down, up, down, 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 up, repeats, down, up, down, 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 up, and the D, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, then down, up, just slightly different at the end. We've got all semiquavers here. And that's the chorus. And the only other thing that's different really is the bridge, where we're playing this major kind of bar chord looking shape. It's not bar chord, we're just playing the top 4 strings. We've got the B, where we've got B going down to G, B going down to G on the 3rd fret, and we're sliding that down at the end of the bar. And eventually we'll end up on an F sharp, and then go into this other section with the E and the A and so on. So let's play this from the bridge. And there's a big break here where he comes in and sings without the guitar until it comes in into the verse here. Comes back in here. But the E part here, we've got this E, I'm doing down, down, up, G, down, down. straight away up on the A, up again on the A, and then B. So down, down, up, 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 down, and then you just continue on with these quavers for 2 bars. And that's pretty much all the sections, and it just repeats after that, and it's just up to you to piece through the sections. But you've got the intro, which is the same thing really as the verse. We've got the chorus, and then this bridge bit that's slightly different.